I guarantee there is something here you didn't know. Let's jump straight in. Tip 1. Customize your side button. Let's start with something quick and super useful feature. Head into Settings, search for Side button and tap it. By default, double press opens the camera. But here is the trick. You can change it to launch any app you want. Imagine double tapping and instantly opening WhatsApp, calculator or YouTube. Set it to your most used app and save time every day. Tip 2. One-handed mode. If you ever struggle using your phone with one hand, this is for you. Go to Settings, search for one-handed mode and turn it on. Now just swipe down or double tap the home button. Your screen shrinks for easy reach. Perfect when you're walking, commuting, or multitasking. Tip 3. Boost performance with RAM Plus. If your phone feels slow or apps keep refreshing, try this. Go to Settings, Device Care, Memory, RAM Plus. Turn it on and choose Extra Virtual RAM. This lets your phone keep more apps open smoothly in the background. Change your phone's entire look. Bored of how your phone looks? Let's fix that. Press and hold your home screen. Tap Themes. Browse free themes. Download the one you like. Hit Apply. Now you can see instant transformation. New icons, wallpapers, colors, everything changes. Tip 5. Protect your battery health. Here's something most people ignore. Leaving your phone at 100% charge for too long can slowly damage the battery. Go to Settings, Battery Protection, turn it on and choose Basic, Adaptive, or Maximum. This helps your battery last longer over time. Tip 6. Increase touch sensitivity using a screen protector. Your touch might feel less responsive. Go to Settings, search for touch sensitivity and turn it on. This boosts responsiveness instantly, especially helpful for typing and gaming. Tip 7. Keep your phone unlocked in safe places. Tired of unlocking your phone at home? Search Extend Unlock in Settings. You can keep your phone unlocked at home, near trusted devices like your smartwatch, or even when it's on you. Convenience plus security combined. Tip 8. Match your system colors with color palette. Want your phone to feel more personalized? Hold the home screen, tap Wallpaper and Style, Color Palette. Choose colors based on your wallpaper or pick your own. Now your menus, apps, and quick settings all match your vibe. Tip 9. Switch to gesture navigation. Still using navigation buttons? Go to Settings, search Navigation bar. Switch to swipe gestures for a cleaner, more modern look. It also gives you more screen space. Tip 10. Use motion and gestures. Go to Settings, Advanced Features, Motions and Gestures. Turn on things like Lift to Wake. Double tap to turn screen on or off. Palm swipe to screenshot. Flip phone to mute calls. These small features make a big difference in daily use. And there you have it, 10 powerful Android tips to level up your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G experience. Got a favorite tip? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like if this helped. Subscribe for more Android hacks and smart tech tips. I will catch you in the next one. Stay smart, stay safe.